Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify not connecting to Discord. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify not connecting to Discord, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list you will enter to the window of Spotify. Then here in this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll go to click on storage. After that we click clear cache. You can go to Play Store. You'll find Spotify music and podcasts. If you'll find this blue sign updates, then you can click to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.